Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean Moringa drumsticks. First, gather your fresh drumsticks and a clean cutting board. You'll also need a sharp knife or a vegetable peeler. This simple process will ensure your drumsticks are ready for any recipe, enhancing their flavor and texture. Let's get started with the initial preparation steps. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your Moringa drumsticks under cool, running water to remove any surface dirt or debris. Next, using a sharp knife, carefully trim off about 1/4 inch from both ends of each drumstick. This removes the tougher, fibrous tips. Inspect each piece and discard any sections that look discolored or damaged, ensuring only the best parts remain. Now it's time to peel the drumsticks. Using a vegetable peeler or a small, sharp knife, carefully remove the tough, fibrous outer skin. Work in long, downward strips, peeling from one end to the other. The goal is to remove most of the dark green, stringy exterior, revealing the lighter, tender flesh underneath. This step is crucial for a pleasant eating experience. Finally, with your drumsticks cleaned and peeled, cut them into manageable 2 to 3 inch pieces. They are now perfectly prepared and ready to be added to your favorite curries, soups, or stir-fries. Enjoy the unique flavor and health benefits of this wonderful vegetable. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.